All right, the drink we're about to make is called Crazy German. We're going to serve this as a chilled shot. Let's go ahead and put some ice in your mixing glass. I'm going to make enough just for one single shot. All right, we've got 2 German ingredients here. We're going to start off with our Jägermeister and measure out 1 ounce. There we go. And follow that up with 1 ounce of Rumpelmans. All right. Now let's take our shaker. Go ahead and give it a good shake. Nothing. Your shot glass. Grab a strainer, and we'll pour it in. And I can guarantee you this, whether you're German or not, if you have a few of these, you yourself will become a crazy German. Bottoms up.